Now let's explore an endothermic reaction. Consider the dissolution of ammonium nitrate in water, which is used in instant cold packs. The equation for this reaction looks like what's showing on your screen. And from this reaction, we can see that the reaction absorbs heat from the surrounding, causing the temperature of the solution to drop. To visualize these energy changes, we can use energy diagrams in an endothermic reaction. The reactant starts with higher energy, and as the reaction progresses, energy is released, resulting in lower energy product. In an endothermic reaction, the reactant begins with lower energy, and as the reaction proceeds, energy is absorbed, resulting in higher energy product. The diagram showing on the screen clearly illustrates the flow of energy during chemical reaction. Understanding energy change is vital in various fields. For instance, in battery technology, exothermic reaction and endothermic processes dictate how batteries release and store energy. In nature, photosynthesis illustrates how plants harness solar energy through endothermic reaction, creating glucose and oxygen. Energy changes is in chemistry plays a crucial role in understanding how reactions work and their practical applications in our daily lives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more chemistry insights. Thanks for watching. Bye.